Aha!
Make everything big and super wow. Ooh la la, magic wand. Make me big and super wow. Yay! Huh? I'm so
Wow!
big, it's like a dream. Everything is so
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Yeah!
Wow, wow, wow. A whole new world you hide inside. Adventure awaits on the other side. Let's go now and enjoy the ride. Dragons fly up so high, high, high. Eggs
Wow.
falling from the sky, sky,
Woohoo.
sky. It's super fun, just like a dream. We need a sparkling kick, kick, kick.
Great! Ha!
Oh no, I know this feeling.
no.
I need a pee-pee. I need
Oh.
a pee-pee. Where is my lovely potty? I need my potty. I need my potty.
Little baby, that's not right. This is a shop for us to buy. Little baby, follow me.
Excellent!
Find the toilet, don't worry.
Good job!
Someone is misbehaving. Oh, somebody made a
Oh! Aha!
Don't worry,
Whoops.
she will help.
A,
She's so yes.
B, C, D.
Uh-huh.
Yeah! Milk!
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Nobody can get me.
Woohoo!
Dear, it's
Love.
not long. She's coming, you'll see.
Great! Wow!
Humpty Dumpty, you're so cute. Humpty Dumpty, peekaboo. Humpty Dumpty's jumping around up really high and on the ground. Bouncing, bouncing everywhere. I will catch you in the
Wow!
is breaking the storm, making a mess everywhere we go. I love my balloon. It's so pretty and it's mine, my lovely green balloon. Balloon, balloon, I'll catch you now. Balloon, balloon, balloon. Balloon, balloon, balloon. Balloon, balloon, balloon. My balloon. Hey!
Wow!
I want to make a balloon.
Great!
Want to make a...
Easy, that's Flappy.
Okay, which one's Flappy?
The one that
yes,
keeps-
yes, I'm ahead of you. Okay, that one seems to be flapping a lot. Here, Flappy, Flappy. Oh, doesn't seem to want to move. How am I going to get it down?
Maybe try some birdseed?
Oh, might work. Okay, here we go. Here, Flappy, some birdseed. Oop, here we are. Ah, yes, that seems to be working all right. Now to get it back to the coop. Here, Flappy, Flappy. Yes, it's coming. And so are all the others. Here, Flappy, Flappy. Come on then. Keep on coming, that's it. And the others. Here, chicky, chicky, chickies, that's it. Come on then. In you get. 3 chickens back in the coop. Birdseed, that's what gets them moving.
Well done, Farmer Sid.
Thanks, Wendy. So, what's next?
Well, now we get the sheep back in the pen.
Okay, how do we do that?
Well, we've got a sheepdog.
Ah, that should do it.
Let's play.
Sid, meet Bobby.
Hello, Bobby the sheepdog. I'm Sid the farmer.
Right, Bobby, the sheep are over there, and they need to be in the pen over there.
Bobby, sheep into the pen. Bobby, sheep, pen. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. He's not going.
Bobby, sheep into the pen.
Whoa, she's good at that, isn't she?
That's a good Bobby. Well done.
Oh, he's got them all moving in the same direction, all right.
Yes, but where's he taking them? Bobby, Bobby, no, naughty boy, Bobby.
Oh, into that pond, Bobby! Oh, no! Where are they going now? That house over there. Is that your uncle's place?
Yes.
And haven't you left the front door open?
Oh, yes.
And into the house they go.
Oh, no, the nice clean carpets.
Oh, dear.
You bring those sheep out of the house this instant.
Bobby, sheep, out of the house! It's supposed to be a sheepdog. He's not doing anything we say.
The phone. It's Mrs. Trump, the school teacher at the party that's coming to visit. Hello, Mrs. Trump. Yes. Oh, great. Wonderful. Really? Brilliant. Okay, bye. Disaster.
What?
They're on their way.
And the sheep are in the house.
And the pigs are in the garden.
What are we going to do?
Let's play.
Right, the good news is the sheep are out of the house.
Great.
The bad news is they've run into the field.
Oh, no. What is Bobby doing? What should we do?
I don't know. I don't know how to get him to behave. I'm not a farmer. But hey, you are.
Yes, but he just won't listen to me. Look, Bobby, bring the sheep back. See?
Oh, surely you can do something.
Oh, I don't know. How do I get Bobby to do what I tell him? What should I say? Hold on. I remember to you. Farmers use sheepdogs to herd sheep by teaching them special words. That's it. We need to use the special words. Of course. So what are they? Oh, yes, they say walk up when they want them to approach slowly. Walk up, Bobby. Walk up. Yes, it's working. The sheep have stopped, and they're looking at him now.
Great.
What's next? Oh, yes, they say come by when they want them to run around the sheep. Come by, Bobby. Come by.
Oh, look, he's doing it.
Yes, it's really working. Come by, Bobby. Come by.
They're going into the pen.
Great, he's got them in. Quick, let's go and shut the gate. Whew. Well done, Bobby. What a good sheepdog. I should have just given him the right words in the first place.
Now let's get the pig back in the sty.
Great idea.
Let's play.
Wow, look at this mess.
Oh, it was quite a storm last night. These hay bales have blown all over the field. Now, where's that pig? There it is.
What's the name?
Higgledy.
Okay. Come on, Higgledy.
I don't know much about farming, but I'm pretty sure pigs don't just come when you call them.
Oh, right. Well, stand back, Wendy. I will catch this pig.
Okay, Sid, you go for it.
Come on in, Higgledy. That's it. Stay where you are. Oh, where's it gone? There it is. Over there. Shh. Higgledy. Oh, no. Now it's over there. Higgledy. Oh.
No luck, Sid.
No, that pig's way too fast for me.
Look over there. The school bus. The children are almost here.
Oh, no. And Higgledy's still running around.
Do something, Sid.
I don't know. How do I get the pig back into the sty? She keeps running around everywhere. Oh, I know. I remember. Do you? If you need to move a pig, give it only one way to go. That's what we need to do. We need to make a path that she has to go down.
But how?
We'll use the hay bales. We'll make a line and chase Higgledy down the middle.
Brilliant.
Okay, let's start moving him to place.
Too heavy.
Let me try that one.
Still too heavy.
We're never going to move these into place. Hold on. That tractor. We'll use that to drive them into place.
Brilliant.
Right, we can get the tractor to the bales, load them onto the trailer, and then drop them into place.
Okay, great. Well, you can drive.
Great.
Oh, no.
What?
They're not joined together. The tractor and the trailer, they need to be hooked up.
Hooked up?
Yes, there's meant to be a metal pin here, a drawbar, that joins them together.
Oh, that metal pin. Does it look like this?
Yes, that's it.
I knew this would come in handy. There you go.
Great. Okay, you get into the tractor and I'll hook it up.
Righto.
Okay, Sid, back a bit, back a bit, back a bit more. That's it. Stop, switch it off now. Right. Now the tractor's attached to the trailer.
Great, which means we can now get those bales into place.
Brilliant.
Oh, this is so exciting.
Let's play.
Great, we've done it. A one-way street to the sty.
Phew. Oh, and the children are here.
Okay, I'll go and say hello, and you get Higgledy into the sty.
Right. Oh, I get the easy job then. There's Higgledy. Shh. That's it, Higgledy. That's it. Keep moving. Forward. That's it. Go on, Higgledy. All the way into the sty. Yes, Wendy, we did it.
Okay, children, just wait at the gate. I'll be there in a minute.
Look.
Oh, well done, Sid. Higgledy in the sty.
Yes, we did it. The chickens are in the coop, the sheep are in the pen, and the pig is in the sty.
Yes.
Whew. Well, that's all the animals in the right place.
I can't thank you enough, Sid.
Oh, it was no problem at all. It was brilliant fun, and we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Most chickens have a pecking order, and they will follow the leader. Farmers use sheepdogs to herd sheep by teaching them special words. Come by! And if you need to move a pig, give them only one way to go.
That's it.
The kids are really going to enjoy their visit. Uncle Harry will be so pleased.
Well, I'm glad. Oh. And I think it's time we went home.
Oh, but before you go, I've got something to give you.
Oh, eggs. How lovely.
Yes, Clucky laid them. Or Pecky. Well, one of them anyway.
Well, thank you very much. I know someone who's going to love these. Bye-bye, Wendy.
Bye-bye, Farmer Sid.